Are you looking for the top 5 best CB radios for truckers? Before buying a CB radio, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many radios look alike, but the real differences lie in functionality and reliability that can make or break your communication on the road. Product number 1. Cobra HHR T50 Road Trip. The Cobra HHR T50 Road Trip CB radio caught my eye with its compact design and impressive features, priced at $119.95. If you want a handheld emergency radio that keeps you connected while on the move, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out is its magnetic mount antenna, which allows you to operate it from inside your vehicle while maintaining a clear connection. Plus, the sound tracker system filters out 90% of background noise, so you can hear and be heard without distractions. And let's not forget the NOAA weather alerts to keep you safe from unexpected weather changes. With a talking range of up to 5 miles, you can stay connected even when help is far away. Now, some people complained about its price compared to more basic models. Here's the thing though. If safety and reliable communication are your priorities, it's worth every penny. You're not just buying a radio, you're investing in peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you're a long-haul trucker who values convenience and safety. Skip this one if you're looking for a super basic, no-frills model. Now, if the price of the Cobra HHR T50 bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. The Cobra HH50WX-ST. Next up is the Cobra HH50WX-ST, available for $99.95, which offers solid performance without breaking the bank. If you're seeking a reliable handheld CB radio for emergencies, this one deserves your attention. With access to all 40 channels and a power output of 4 watts, it provides clear communication that can reach up to 20 miles. The dual watch feature allows you to monitor 2 channels simultaneously, making it easier to stay updated on important messages. The built-in NOAA weather alerts are a lifesaver, giving you real-time updates on any hazardous conditions. Some users noted the need for better battery life, but honestly, it's not a deal breaker if you plan to use it while your truck is running. Just keep in mind that for prolonged use, you might need a backup power source. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet reliable option for everyday use. Skip this one if you need a radio for heavy-duty professional use. Alright, that was a solid Product number 3, Cobra 29 AM/FM. Now let's talk about the Cobra 29 AM/FM, priced at $159.95. This radio caught my attention with its classic design and range of features. If you're a trucker seeking a reliable communication tool with vintage vibes, check this one out. The night watch illumination is a standout feature, allowing you to operate the radio easily in low light. With the dual mode AM/FM capability, you can communicate with more users effectively. Plus, it has instant access to Channel 9 for emergencies, which is crucial while on the road. The adjustable receiver sensitivity helps in reducing background noise, ensuring clearer communication. However, some users found it a bit bulky for smaller cabs. But here's the thing. If you want a radio that stands out in performance and functionality, a little extra space is a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a blend of classic and modern features in your gear. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact. Now, if you want something even more compact, the next Product number 4, Uniden Pro 520 XL. Next, we have the Uniden Pro 520 XL, a compact powerhouse priced at $88.45. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth considering. With 40 channels and an impressive 7 watts of audio output, this radio is designed to deliver clear communication. The built-in automatic noise limiter helps to cut out the static and background noise, making your conversations cleaner. It's compact enough to fit in any vehicle, which is a big plus for truckers with limited space. Plus, you have instant access to emergency channel 9, which is crucial when you need to stay safe on the road. Some users have mentioned that the mic could be more comfortable to hold, but honestly, if you're spending a lot of time driving, you'll adapt to it quickly, and that's a minor issue considering the overall value you get. This is perfect for you if you want a compact radio that delivers solid performance without the high price tag. Skip this one if you need a more feature-rich model. Alright, that was a great budget pick, but if you want something with a bit... Product number 5. Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Finally, we have the Cobra 29 LTD Chrome, available for $179.95. This model is a classic, and if you're looking for a top-tier professional CB radio, this one is a must-see. With its stylish chrome finish and classic design, it offers not just looks, but functionality. It provides access to all 40 channels and has an adjustable receiver sensitivity to reduce noise while maintaining clarity. The instant access to emergency channel 9 is a lifesaver, and the SWR calibration ensures you're always connected. Plus, it has a talking range of up to 30 miles, so you can stay in touch from a distance. A few users mentioned that the chrome finish can be prone to scratches, but let's be real. If you're a professional trucker, you want something that not only works well, but looks good too. A few scratches won't matter when you're getting the performance you need. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, stylish radio that's built to last. So there you have it, 5 of the best CB radios for truckers, each with its unique strengths. The Cobra HHRT50 is great for emergencies, while the Cobra HH50WXST offers a balance of features and price. The Cobra 29 NWAM-FM adds classic functionality, and the Uniden Pro 520XL is a budget-friendly choice. Finally, the Cobra